My name is Joseph Sewatindira. I study in Nakasero Primary School. I am happy to qualify to go in Ghana.
My name is Sereko Sharif, and I've qualified to go to Ghana in the All Africa Games. I feel very happy that I'm going to represent the country Uganda in table tennis, and I can promise the president and the rest of the people that play table tennis that I'm going to play my best and I shall not let them down.
We are also very thankful that there were no complaints in these qualification games. We are very thankful that everything has moved very smoothly. We have finished ahead of time. We thought it would be done by 6 p.m., but by 5 we have finished already because of the excellent organization, the excellent team of people that organize these games. And we are also very happy to see that our youngsters, whom we had a lot of belief in, whom we have supported from 2019, we have had a deliberate program to support our young players. There is Sir Joseph Sewatindira, 9 years old, and his brother, Sharif Nsereko, 11 years old, both at Nakasero Primary School. They managed to go through in the top 4 men. Joseph as seed number 3, and then Sharif as seed number 4. And they'll be playing for Uganda in Ghana, Accra.